In a lush green forest, where the sun kisses the leaves and the breeze whispers secrets, lived a mighty lion, a tiny mouse, and a sleepy bear. The lion was the king of the forest, his roar sending shivers down the spine of every creature. The mouse, though small, was quick-witted and clever. He scurried around, exploring every nook and cranny of the forest. And then there was the sleepy bear, who loved nothing more than to snuggle up in his cave and doze the day away. One day, as the lion was prowling through the forest, he got ensnared in a hunter's trap. Despite his strength, he couldn't break free. The mouse, with his sharp teeth, gnawed through the ropes of the trap, setting the lion free. Meanwhile, the sleepy bear tossed and turned in his cave, unable to find a comfortable position to sleep. Seeing his friend in distress, the lion called upon the other animals of the forest for help. Together, they gathered soft leaves and pillows, creating a cozy bed for the bear to rest on. Finally comfortable, the bear snuggled into his bed and drifted off into a peaceful slumber. And so, in the heart of the forest, friendship prevailed, and the lion, the mouse, and the sleepy bear lived happily ever after.